In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay home credit using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what details to enter, and how to confirm the payment with confidence. Before we start, make sure your GCash account is active, you have a stable internet connection, and you know your correct home credit contract number and the amount you plan to pay. It also helps to have enough balance in your GCash wallet to cover the payment and any potential fees. First, open the GCash app on your phone and log in as you normally would. If the app prompts you to update, go ahead and do that so everything runs smoothly. From the GCash home screen, look for Bills. This is the section dedicated to paying billers directly through the app, which is the safest and most organized way to settle loans and utilities. Inside Bills, select the Loans category. You'll see a list of loan providers, but the fastest way to find what you need is to use the search bar at the top. Type Home Credit, then tap the official Home Credit option when it appears. This ensures you're paying the correct biller. Now you'll be asked to fill in a few fields. Start with the amount. Enter the exact amount you intend to pay, ideally matching what's shown on your latest home credit statement or in their app. Next, enter your home credit contract number. This number uniquely identifies your loan, so double-check it to avoid delays or misapplied payments. Then provide your mobile number and your email. These are used for receipts and updates, so make sure they're accurate and up to date. Take a quick moment to review everything you've typed to catch any typos. When you're ready, tap Next. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the payment. You'll typically see a summary page showing the biller name, the amount, and your details. Review it carefully. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm. You may be asked to authenticate within GCash. Complete that as prompted. After confirming, wait for the payment to process. Don't close the app until you see a success message. You should receive a confirmation with a reference number and, in many cases, a receipt sent to your email or via text. Save that reference for your records. A quick screenshot is a good idea. If the payment doesn't go through, check your internet connection and wallet balance, then try again. And that's it. Your home credit payment via GCash is done quickly, securely, and in just a few taps.